Right, I've got this Salter scale that's not working, and it's got some watermark there that's come out with a rust or something. So see if I can clean that out first, because I think this is supposed to be your getting the body mass index and all that kind of stuff. I think this is where you put your feet, and basically makes the connection through your body. That's not coming off. Right, okay, let me see if I can get something, pad or something. And it's coming off slowly. So basically this is not powering up, so I'm going to change the battery first and see if it is the battery. But if it's not, then I'll have to take it apart. Just putting a little bit of this petrol just to get the watermark off. We're getting there. It's not that bad now. Okay, that actually worked out okay. One more time, maybe. Let's change the side. Okay, that cleaned out good. That's good. Right, okay, let me just get a tissue paper. Okay, that's good. At least we know that's cleaned out good. So as you can see, it was really brownish muck that was coming off. Yeah, I thought it was rust, but it looks like it's not. Okay, so we'll give that a clean afterwards. Let me see first by changing the battery. Okay, we have got a little bit of rust. I think it's been in the water or near the water. Let's see if we can get all that off before we open it. A little bit more of that kind of rust. Let me just show you what it looks like so you can see. Yeah, that kind of stuff. I think it's due to the water. Let me just put some more of this. See if we can get that cleaned off. Okay, that's good. It's nearly off. Okay, let's see if we can get the battery compartment off. Yep, that's come off. Ah, right. Yeah, it looks like we've got some rust in there as well. So if you look in there, you can see it's got rusty. Let's see if we can get that battery out first. Let me get something to get it out. Push out. Okay, that did push out. As you can see, the state of the battery. Let me just see if I can get a focus on that. There you go. It's basically rusted off one side. Probably just got nothing in there. And what is it? It's a 2032. Okay, so what we need now is a brush and see if we can get some of this on the sides and get that rubbish off. Okay, so I'll just right, it doesn't look like there's a connection on that side. It looks like both the connections are okay, so the rust will came on one side. We might be lucky. Then what we might have to do is just clean it up a bit and see if it works. Let me see if I've got these batteries. It should have some because I bought. You can get these like what was that battery again? 2032. Right, I've got one left in the packet. I think they're pound length, so you can pick these ones up there. So let me just see if I can get that off. I don't know why they don't put a decent sized battery in these. Got the space in there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, it's come up, so it okay. Right guys, as you can see, I've cleaned it a bit more up, and as you know, the digits aren't coming out properly. So what I'm going to do is open it all up and go inside and clean the connectors that connect to the LCD display. So let's get all these out. Get the battery out. And then just was looking if I was recording. Get all these connectors out and give it a good clean, and then see if the digits are highlighted up a bit more better or not. It could be just the connector at the bottom. Okay, that's come off okay. So let's take the button bit off. Okay, yeah, I can see a little bit of rust on these, and that button, I don't know, has it moved? No. Right, okay, let me just get this into focus so you can see what's basically happening. Yeah, you can see there's rust there on the buttons, and some on this side, so it could have gone in the back. So what I'm going to do is clean it with the brush and see what we can do with that. Let me get some stuff on that. Yeah, clean all that out. Clean this bit as well. Right, I might have to go underneath and clean out with the LCDs and just clean the connector on that. It's just like a little rubber thing that pushes down onto the motherboard and the display. Could be that's what was got in there. Yeah, let's have a look. Yep, let's have a look. Choose over. Yep. So what I'm going to do is clean these contacts. There we go, and let's have a look at that. Yeah, and then we'll do a little clean up on these, that one there as well. There we go. And that should be okay now. Let's put all that back together and see where we are now. So let's hope that does the job. Because the connectors, you can see they're clean, haven't got much watermark or anything on them, so I'm quite lucky on that side. Right, okay, that's tight on that side. Yeah, get that one in there. So it looks like it's not that dirty at all. There is some little connection here. Let me just do the back of the buttons. Yeah, that's okay. Right, brilliant. Just took off a connector. Yep. So right, we'll have to see now where that one goes, because if I'm not sure, then I'm gonna solder it in the wrong place. Okay, should have been a bit light-handed. I'm guessing because got to be on that one, because I think, let me just see, I'm not that sure now where it was. Right, so I'm going to stop the video. Right guys, I had a little look, and it's the one at the right, this corner. So we're just going to go in with this. I'm just going to peel this a little bit off so that we've got something to solder to. Okay, hang on. Will this hold it? Nope, this is not going to do it, so I might have to need something else to peel it off with. Yeah, it's got that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me just focus that in for you. There we are. So I'm going to put a little bit of flux on there, connector, and put a little bit of solder on the other side once I find my solder. There we go. And I'm not that good doing this thing without under the microscope. Yeah, that's all tinted. Right, I want to get a tweezer to hold these so I can get them in the right place. So here we go. Okay, so that was a quickie job. That's good. So that's all soldered on now. So I'm going to put that back in, hoping that is the one I took off. Yeah, if I can get in the right place there. Right, okay, so we're in the right place now. So I'm going to go back to the top camera now, and we'll just put everything back together again and see where we are. Just try the buttons here. And actually what I'm going to do is just hold the battery there, and just to make sure it's working. And it is not working. Right, the digits are not coming up clear, so that means we haven't done something right. So basically probably needs to clean it a little bit more. Let's try this again. I think we got some thing under there. That's because if those contacts aren't proper, they will not let you connect to the LCD properly, and then you'll have a problem. Just got to watch that now so I don't damage it again. Okay, there we go. And right, yeah, that's fine, there's nothing there, that's good. Right, the only thing is now we need something. Okay, just get that top bit there, and because I'm using this petrol that is for, there we go, yeah, clean burning, fast ignition, low odor. So that's what I'm using to clean it out, so that way it'll dry up as well at the same time. Let's see if there's anything in there. Right, okay, so let's get that back in there where it should be, and tighten that down again, and see this time if we've got it working or not, or if we made it worse than before. You never know. So I'm going to put them in tight, and then I'm going to put these ones in afterwards. That way it pushes it down. That. There we go. And the last one. No, that's gone underneath. I don't want that. Because that will damage the wire. There we go. And we've got that in there as well. So okay. So we've got all that in there, so give it another try, put the battery in again, and see what we're getting this time. Yep, so if you can see now, the digits are okay now, so they're clean, there's nothing there, so that means it's, all the dirt's come off, so that's good. So we can put everything back now, so it's all cleaned out, and we've got everything going the way we should. Okay, so let's put all these back and we should be done. I'll give it one more time, clean around the corners and everywhere, so you know, wherever there's a little bit of muck. Yeah. Okay, and that one there, let me just see, and the last one, we got that there. Well, that was a good little video, yeah, cleaning out basically your, let's have a look. Let me put this back first before I open my mouth and it's not working yet. So if you can see now, you've got the digits. Hate this one, the light. Okay, right, needs a lot of weight on this. There we go. So yeah, you can see it's all working now. Oopsie, there we go. So yeah, because let me just check the functions. One, yeah, I think, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I think these are the, you can have 10 people different, and you can have the body fat and all that kind of stuff. You put in the weight and all the heights and the ages and all that kind of stuff, and you can get all this in there. Yeah, there we go. So that's on that. So I'm just going to give it a good clean and we're done. So basically, if you've got a water damaged scale that you're going to throw away, you might as well give it a try first and get it up and running, and at least you don't have to buy another one, spend 20-30 quid again. Yeah, so it takes like a couple of minutes and you could get it up and running. Okay guys, thanks for watching.